la 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 la. To your massage. Tonight I'm gonna feel like.
Hey guys, welcome back. So today is another hair review, and this hair is from Celie hair. Came in this box. You guys know how their packaging is. Their social platform is here. They are everywhere. In here, some goodies, okay, that came with the wig. So let's break them out. See, look at my face. My face is so shiny. I applied something on my face and I cut my nails. You guys see, I had to cut them because they were too long. Sometimes I just cut them to let them regrow again. Okay. So the goodies, they are here. Let me bring it out. You guys know that is how they always add a lot of goodies to your wig. Okay, when you place an order. All these are for free. They are a lot. You see these? All these. There is a bonnet, hair clip, comb, wig cap, and a hairband. All these you're seeing here came with the wig. They are a lot. And it's like there's something inside again. Let me see. Oh, okay. Lashes, a pair of lashes. And what else? There's still something inside. Edge brush. Okay, you see there are lots. So when you order, all these are going to come with your wig for sure. So hot here. The weather is really hot, but rain fell yesterday. It's better. So the wig is 16 inches. This is it. You can see the formations here. 5x5 lace wig, lace front wig. Oh, there is a card also inside. Celie hair always provide you top quality hair with best customer service. Let's move on to the hair. So this is the wig. Oh, you know, they put all these. This is to shaping the wig, to put it in shape. And also there's a net. Ooh, look at these, guys. Hey, to coil hair, let me tell you guys, to coil hair is the most difficult thing for me to do. I don't know about you guys. It's the most difficult thing for me to do. I remember Avanti Wigate, she always tell me like, I put little volume, try to like coil it a little. I said, okay, I'll try. Because it's always difficult for me. I don't know why. Let's talk about this color. Let's talk about this color. Wow. Oof. Guys, I'm so happy right now. I'm really happy because it came already coiled. It came already plucked. I think, yeah, you see. So guys, we are not doing much, just that look at the lace. It's white. If I should put this on my head right now, you're going to see that the difference between my skin and the lace. Inside, there are some combs at the back, by the side, okay, and also is there any one at the middle? No. Okay, an inbuilt adjustable strap. Oof, let's talk about this. Oh la la, let's talk about this. So if you're interested, I'm going to put the link on the description box, so check that out. The direct link will be on the description box, and I will add other link as well, the link to their website and some other wigs that I have done before. I will leave them on the description, so check that out. And please subscribe. That's the most important thing. Subscribe for more videos like this. Okay, thank you so much. I appreciate it. In one of my previous videos I did, I said that this summer I don't like gluing my wigs down because it's so hot. The weather is really hot, so I don't glue my wigs down. I don't want the wig to melt on me. You know, when you wear your wig and you feel it swelty and you see the glue. Oh, I don't like that. So, and it's also, how will I put it, is also difficult for me. I think whenever I glue my wigs down, I feel it the most. I don't know if it is just me, but you can glue your wig down if you like. Okay, you can see that the lace is white. Yeah, this is really white. This is so white. So you guys, you know what we do? I'm going to spray airbrush legs on it since it's white like this. Oh, look at this, guys. This is giving me life, guys. It's giving me life. Ooh, I'm feeling this right. So let me put airbrush legs on it, then I'll be right back. So now that I sprayed the airbrush legs on it, you can see the difference. Okay, the other time it was so white, and look at it. Look at where the hairbrush legs did not touch, and look at where I sprayed the hairbrush legs. So in case if you don't know the hairbrush legs, it's this one. This is what I use. But I'm still looking for other products in case if you know of any one I can use, because I find it difficult to bleach my knots. So I do the easiest way when it comes to installing my wigs. I do what is quick and fast for me, because I don't like wasting my time all day installing wigs. Okay, so that is why I always use airbrush legs. But if you know of any other thing I can use apart from this, let me know, because as long as I've been using these airbrush legs, I need a change. I need to change. So if you know of any, let me know on the comment section. Let's take this hair backward. I don't know if I should bring out baby hair or I shouldn't. All this baby hair stuff. My face is so red. Why? I don't know. Guys, should I do baby hair? Should I? Maybe I should. Okay, let's just try and do some quick baby hair this way. Okay, I think it's okay. This way is perfect. Take a wax stick and just take this backward to demarcate my baby hair and the wig. When the part is very long, that's how I like it. When it's not long, I don't like it. My comb was not hot. Oh, I'm really happy that they coiled this hair. Oh, thank you. Celie hair, thank you for making it easy for people like me. I'm so happy. Because with that, you don't need to do more. You don't need to do much. I want the front really flat. You can twist the hairline if you want. I got no time for that. It's not that tight. I wish there was a detachable adjustable strap. It would have been so tight. That's why I like when there is detachable adjustable strap added to this inbuilt one, because with just the inbuilt one, the hair cannot be that tight when you don't glue it down. See, well, you know what, don't worry, I'm going to tie it down just to make it. Let's use a trick for it. Okay, I'll tie it like this, maybe. Or should I? Okay, so I'll use a styling gel. I just want this to just only the front. That's what I'll do. Then I'm going to tie it down. that is done, I'm going to tie it down. So I'm going to remove this, and let me remove the elastic. Let's remove the elastic. So I'm going to add little foundation in front, very little one, to blend it with my forehead. Comb it. See this? Wow. So last I did not trim these the baby hair. I'll leave it like that. So see the front. Guys, that is it. I will see you guys in my next one. I'm going to leave the link to this unit on the description box, so if you are interested, you can check that out. Gorgeous, please, before you go, if you haven't subscribed, hit on that subscribe button. Thank you so much for doing that, and that bell icon, and I will see you guys in my next one. Today remain gorgeous. Ciao.
Enough of a big star. I got my girls and I got my cars. Come here.